Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 and the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060. Both cards are built on NVIDIA's latest architecture, designed to deliver exceptional gaming performance. In this video, we'll dive into their specifications, cooling solutions, and unique features to help you decide which one is the better choice for your gaming rig. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 features a robust triple-fan wind force cooling system designed to keep temperatures low during intense gaming sessions. In contrast, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 utilizes a dual-fan setup, which is stylish yet may not provide the same level of cooling efficiency. Both designs aim to enhance performance, but the choice between them may depend on your cooling needs and aesthetic preferences. When it comes to performance, the GIGABYTE model boasts a higher boost clock speed of 2,550 MHz, which can translate to better performance in gaming scenarios. Meanwhile, the ASUS card, while slightly lower at 2,535 MHz in OC mode, still offers impressive speeds. Both cards support NVIDIA's DLSS3 technology, enhancing frame rates and overall gaming experience. Aesthetically, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 presents a sleek black design that appeals to many gamers. On the other hand, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 stands out with its unique white color scheme, making it a stylish addition to any build. The choice between these two designs ultimately comes down to personal preference and how they fit into your overall setup. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 and the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 offer excellent performance for gamers. The GIGABYTE card excels in cooling and clock speed, while the ASUS model brings a stylish design and solid performance. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.